Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to book your monthly maintenance appointment without having to call the office. The most important thing to remember is do not set up a new username and password. If you are a current client of Mojo Physio, you already have been sent that. If you misplaced it or didn't save it, please give me a call at the office and I'll resend it to you. That profile shows that you're a maintenance client and it has you at the special pricing. So you're going to go to the online scheduling software, and from the top tab you're going to log in using the username and password I provide you. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a test customer. And once you get logged in, you're going to go to the top gray area where it says book appointment. And you can see here it shows all of your upcoming appointments that are scheduled, and to the right it will show all of your previous appointments. If you've already been in for any given month, you're not going to be able to book a maintenance appointment. Go to the book appointment and click on it, and you're going to choose your payment type. Go down to choose therapy, and we're looking for the prepaid monthly maintenance visit. That's the one that you need to check. Not the 60-minute, because that will ask for your credit card. You need to choose the prepaid visit. Okay, once you've chosen that, you can look below and you can choose your therapist, you can choose your appointment time, or to the right it will give you a list of appointments that are currently available. Okay, so once you have your appointment scheduled, down below there'll be a little spot that says appointment notes. If there's something pertinent that you want to share with us, you can put that in the appointment notes section. If you're having a issue or if you just want to convey something to the therapist so that you don't forget before you come in, just put that in the appointment notes section and we will see it and we will be flagged. Okay, so once that's done, you just add the appointment on the bottom, and it will say that you are now confirmed. If you look, you'll see it's a Mojo prepaid monthly maintenance visit. It'll show your therapist, it'll say the date and the time, and it's very easy. If you need help with this, you can always call the office or you can email me. We'll see you soon.